How long should I thaw frozen hash browns before cooking?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be answering a common question. How long should I thaw frozen hash browns before cooking? Hash browns are a delicious and versatile breakfast item, but it's important to properly thaw them before cooking to ensure they turn out crispy and evenly cooked. So let's dive right in and find out the best way to thaw frozen hash browns.
Why is thawing important?
Before we discuss the thawing process, let's understand why it's important to thaw frozen hash browns before cooking. Frozen hash browns are typically made by shredding or dicing potatoes, which are then frozen to preserve their freshness. When you cook hash browns directly from frozen, they can end up unevenly cooked with a mushy texture. Thawing them properly ensures that the moisture is evenly distributed and allows for a crispier end result.
Thawing methods.
There are a few different methods you can use to thaw frozen hash browns. Let's explore them. Method 1. Overnight thawing. The most convenient method is to thaw hash browns overnight in the refrigerator. Simply transfer the frozen hash browns from the freezer to a container or plate, cover them, and let them thaw in the refrigerator overnight. This gradual thawing process helps maintain the texture and quality of the hash browns. Method 2. Quick thawing. If you're short on time and need to thaw the hash browns more quickly, here's what you can do. 1. Remove the desired amount of hash browns from the frozen package. Make sure to seal the remaining hash browns and return them to the freezer for later use. 2. Place the hash browns in a microwave-safe bowl. It's important to use a microwave-safe container to avoid any issues. 3. Set the microwave to the defrost or low power setting. This will allow for a gentler thawing process and help prevent the hash browns from cooking. 4. Microwave the hash browns in short bursts of 30 seconds. After each burst, gently separate any clumps and turn the hash browns to ensure even thawing. Repeat this process until the hash browns are thawed but still slightly chilled. Method 3. Thawing in water. If you don't have access to a microwave or prefer not to use one, you can also thaw frozen hash browns using the water method. 1. Place the desired amount of hash browns in a resealable plastic bag. Ensure that the bag is sealed tightly to prevent water from entering. 2. Fill a large bowl or sink with cold water. Make sure there is enough water to completely submerge the hash browns. 3. Submerge the sealed bag of hash browns in the cold water. Push out any excess air from the bag before sealing it. 4. Let the hash browns sit in the water for about 30 minutes. During this time, the cold water will thaw the hash browns while maintaining their quality. 5. After 30 minutes, remove the hash browns from the water and pat them dry with a paper towel. This will remove any excess moisture before cooking. And there you have it. Thawing frozen hash browns before cooking is crucial to achieve the best results. Whether you choose the convenient overnight thawing method in the refrigerator, the quick thawing method in the microwave, or the water thawing method, make sure to give your hash browns enough time.